Hi everyone, my name is Asya and welcome to the sleeper office, or I mean my sweet dicks. But before you come in, subscribe below, somewhere here. Okay, come in. I live on the borders of Bushwick and Ridgewood. I live with my boyfriend August and with my puppy Pusher. We paid $2,700 per month. It's a good price for this apartment because it's newly renovated. It has laundry and dishwasher, which is amazing. We have our really white kitchen. My favorite room is a kitchen because I love to cook. Every Sunday, all our friends coming here, we cook together and we have those amazing dinners together. It's extra nice because we don't have our families in the United States. You feel like at home, you feel like you're surrounded by one big family. This is our dining area with the big dining table. I don't know about you guys, but I love building IKEA furniture. It's like playing with Lego or something. It was $250, which is not that expensive for this huge table. It fits almost 12 people. So you're gonna notice that I have a lot of these stools. It's just because we have a lot of people coming over. So let me guys know how many stools you can count in the comments. So this is my living room. I'm from Russia. My boyfriend August is from Sweden, and for the last 5 years we've been just like traveling around the world. That's why we kind of keep it simple. We keep it minimalistic. Every time we shop for the furniture, we usually buy not expensive and affordable things, and we usually buy it from IKEA, and I actually love that. It's Swedish. The other day I was just browsing my Facebook feed and I saw the ads for a sheep stool, so of course I got it, and it was only $50. I feel like now we have two pets. The one thing I usually carry with me around the world is my little orange box where I keep all the Polaroids and pictures with my friends. Also, August drew us a family portrait where you can see me, August, and this little black spot, which is my dog Pusher. We got this carpet, but our dog decided it's gonna be his little corner. So basically he owns it right now. So me and August moved in together. He brought his record collection and the record player. So I got this record when I was at the concert of Jens Lekman. It's a Swedish artist, and he signed it specially for August, and it says "For Stranger." It was just beginning of relationship, so everything was a little bit spicy. Some walls leaking. We have some stains on the walls sometimes, but we have an amazing landlord and they will take care of that in like 2 weeks or even less. This is the bathroom. I keep everything super simple and clean just because I don't want to focus on like any bright colors when I'm relaxing in my bathtub. I store everything on the shelves, so here you can see it's a little bit messy, but then you close it and it looks perfectly. And then I also have this amazing Muji bottles, white and clean and like super sleek design. You pour your favorite shampoo in there and it looks just perfectly in this white interior. What else I buy from Muji is those toothbrush holders, which I feel like super cute. And here we have my bedroom. I'm a co-founder of this company called Sleeper. It's a sleepwear brand. Our pajamas and robe you can not only wear inside, but you can also wear it outside. My bedroom also has this rack where I put all the sleeper stuff. I sometimes use my bedroom as a showroom. The most expensive thing in my apartment is this Casper mattress, which I got through the partnership with Sleeper, and I'm super lucky. It's $2,000 mattress. I feel really fancy when I sleep here. Since I've been working in fashion almost 10 years now, and that kind of made me realize the true cost of the product. So I would never spend a lot of money on the clothes and things like that. So same as my apartment, my wardrobe is really clean and really simple. In my next apartment, what I'm looking for is to have a second bedroom. I would use as my office and also the place where my friends can stay, because we love to have people over. Me and my boyfriend August, we met in San Francisco 2 years ago. We actually met 4 days before I moved to LA. So we had like this short distance relationship for a while, and then last year we moved in together in New York. It was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. I feel like your home is where your family, where your friend is. So no matter where I am, no matter what city I'm living right now, as long as I'm with August and my dog, I will be happy. Thank you so much guys for checking out my sweet dicks. To watch more videos like that, click here, and to subscribe, click here. They have amazing videos, guys. It's fun.